Have you ever seen the process of making Dadiah? Hi guys! So today we're gonna look that process. Let's go with me. This journey started before the sun showed its face. In a village called Ngarai. Several bamboo have been collected to be used as container. Dadiah in Minangkabau is traditional yogurt made from fermented buffalo milk. The farmers started to separate the calves from their mother. The milk was then extracted calmly and carefully. The amount of buffalo milk depends on the size of the animal. In this case, Mr. Nai only took one dipper of each buffalo because the calves were still nursing. We were advised not to get too close so the buffalo will not panic during milking. The collected milk was filtered several times and poured into clean bamboo container. The milk was then sealed with a plastic tied tightly to prevent the spilling. It takes 2 nights to be thickened. Dadiah, with its probiotic content, has been proven beneficial for digestion, lowering cholesterol, and helping to maintain skin hydration. You can buy this pure Dadiah at market in Ngarai Junction for 15,000 rupiah. Or, if you want to enjoy it in a different way, you can visit Jam Gadang. There, you can try Ampiang Dadiah, a combination of a Dadiah and a cracker made from dried sticky rice, then served with a grated coconut ice and a coconut milk and a palm sugar. Want to know more about Minangkabau from a different perspective? Like and follow this account. See you!